So for the longest time, I've wanted to shave my hair, and today's the 26th, and I just made a note. Until December 31st, if I still want to shave my hair, then I should just go for it. I want to wait until December because I don't want this to be a crazy impulse that I just think about and then I regret the next few days. Never mind, change of plans. Why wait until December when I could do it next month? Let's just do a little U-turn here and then do it. So if I still want to shave my hair by the end of March, I'm just gonna go ahead and just shave my hair because it's just hair. It's just gonna grow back. We're in quarantine. Nobody's gonna care. I'm gonna be home all day. I'm not gonna go anywhere. And I've always wanted to shave my hair, so might as well do it if I want to. March, by the end of March. That's the deadline. Let's go. Let's not procrastinate.
Later that same evening.
Oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing this.
Here, let me cut it now.
Oh yeah, I have a big forehead. It's literally like 5 inches long. Autumn hates me. That's all of his angers. Yo, I look like a carrot. Oh my god, there's no going back. You know you're not getting paid for this, right? Tim, I do have a huge forehead. It's a little cute. We're done here. Yay! Your underwear is showing.
Some people want to know what type of underwear I wear. Not my fault.
Feels nice. This is my hair, and yeah, I like it. Doesn't look that bad. I realized that, as you can see, I have like a receding hairline. It's like over there. It's like so big. But yeah, I did it. Kirsty, hi. Do you still recognize me?